Nestled in the heart of Lincoln, Nebraska, at 3433 Old Dominion Road, this exquisite single-family residence offers a harmonious blend of luxury and comfort. Spanning 6,484 square feet, the home boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 6 well-appointed bathrooms, providing ample space for both family living and entertaining. Main level features. Upon entering, you're greeted by an inviting foyer that seamlessly flows into the home's primary living areas. The main level includes a gourmet kitchen equipped with modern appliances, a formal dining room perfect for hosting gatherings, and a cozy living room featuring a fireplace that adds warmth and ambience. Large windows throughout ensure an abundance of natural light, enhancing the home's open and airy feel. Upper level highlights. The upper level houses the primary suite, a true retreat complete with a luxurious ensuite bathroom and a spacious walk-in closet. Additional bedrooms on this level are generously sized, each offering comfort and privacy. Lower level amenities. The finished basement provides additional living space, including a recreation room ideal for entertainment, a home office, and extra storage areas. This level enhances the home's functionality, catering to a variety of lifestyle needs. Exterior and surroundings. Situated on a well-manicured lot, the property features a 3-stall attached garage, offering ample parking and storage solutions. The exterior's classic design complements the serene surroundings, making it a standout residence in the neighborhood. Additional information. Listing price: $1,295,000. This home exemplifies refined living in Lincoln, Nebraska, offering a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and modern amenities.